Hey guys, it's Bao with JohnyTechReview and I hope you guys are doing well. And today I just have a very fast and simple review of this product I received in the mail. The company IceTek reached out to me and asked me to check this out. Yes, at first I thought it was a humidifier, but turned out this is an air purifier. And as I look at the link and looking into the detail, I was kind of interested in it because I also have other air purifier in the house and I just want to give you a test and see how it works. So this is the unit that you get. It's roughly about 12 to 14 inches tall, as you can see. And it's pretty lightweight in the back. There's really only one port, and that's where you plug in the power. And the power cable, hold on a second. And the power cable is one of these little adapter. It's like a 24 volt and it comes to a kind of like proprietary plug, but it's one of these plugs. On the unit itself, there's a sensitive touch screen. There was a little screen protector on it. I took it up, and in the past 2 weeks of using this, I kind of already scratched it up, so keep that in mind. It's kind of a little bit easy to scratch. There's a power button to turn it on. There's a filter button that you can kind of check to see the condition of the filter, and it shows that time in operating hours. It also have an auto mode, which typically is what I use to set it to. You set it into auto mode, and in that auto mode, it automatically switches between low, medium, and high, depends on the air filter level. So this unit has a PM25 pollutant sensor. I would say I'm not an expert in this regard, but what I do know is that other air purifiers also use similar sensor to detect pollutant. In the back there's a little hole where you can kind of see where that sensor is, and over time that might be up with some dust. You might have to clean it up, and that's how it senses the air quality level. On the left hand side of the unit you also have a timer functionality, and in that way you can turn it between 2, 4 to 8 hours. And in the middle of the unit, right below the little screen that you have, there's a sleep mode. And in the sleep mode, it's kind of like another additional mode. It's very quiet. So there's low, medium, and high, but then there's this sleep mode where everything's turned off. And they run pretty smooth, and it runs kind of through the night, and in the morning you can turn it off. On the screen itself, it displays a few things. It displays the temperature of the room. Unfortunately, I checked with the company, but it's only in Celsius. It doesn't really have any way for you to switch it to Fahrenheit. So some of our US consumers, this might be a deal breaker for you, but it's just in Celsius, maybe something you want to learn. And then there's also a humidity sensor, would let you know what the humidity is in the room, which is kind of nice. And as you switch between the different mode as far as air speed and also in terms of timer, it also will kind of display that on the screen and let you know. When the unit is power on, is running, it is also showing a number on the screen. That's the PM number, and that number can indicate how pollutant, how dirty your air is, I guess. So in the little menu here, it does have some information, but here it shows you that if the color of the LED on here show that it's blue, that means it's good, and the air quality is 0 to 75, that's the number, and then from 76 to 150 it's kind of like okay, and then from above 150 it's basically bad air quality. And based on the air quality that it detects, it will then adjust the fan up and down if you put it in automatic mode. Other than that, the unit itself is not too loud. I'm going to go ahead and show you a video clip of my unit versus the other unit I have, which is a Hoover unit that I have for now for a few years. To keep in mind, both units do have Hepa Filter, so that's really nice. This is a small Hepa Filter. I think the size H13, and I found this on Amazon for between $15 to $25. I think $20 is one of the one from Amazon that I saw, so that is what you can expect. To change the filter is pretty simple. At the bottom of the unit, you can just rotate and open it up, and inside here you have the filter, and this is what the filter looks like. So it's pretty simple. It comes with this filter brand new in the plastic bag. You have to take it out, and you have to make sure that you take it out of the plastic bag before you put it back. So other than that, the filter is rated for 8 to 12 months. Depends on how often you use it and how dirty the air around your room is. For me, I use this mainly in my kids' room, which is roughly the size of this office. I would say it's about a 14 to 14 room, kind of give you an idea. Works pretty well. Air quality seems to be pretty good. I mean, really, I have no scientific way to measure the air quality. I've been using the other Hoover air purifier, and now I switched to this, and really, I don't really notice any difference. So overall, the unit to me works pretty well. Again, the air come into the side, into the filter, and come up to here. The sound, and depending on the speed you're using, it could be a little bit loud, but in general I set it to the automatic mode, and if your air quality is good, then there shouldn't be any issues. But on the high speed it is a little bit loud, and I also wish that the unit have a way for you to switch to Fahrenheit to Celsius as far as temperature display. So that's basically my take on this unit. Again, thank you for IceTek for sending this unit for me to check it out. Please let me know if you have any question or comment. Please give it a thumb up if you like the video, and I will put the link in the description box below if you're interested in buying the product and taking a look at it. And hope you guys have a good holiday season. Thanks.